As human beings, most of us long for respect and admiration from our peers. Nonetheless, earning and maintaining respect is no very easy task. It calls for a strong sense of self-awareness and self-questioning to identify the practices that may be impeding our capacity to earn regard. Here are 7 routines that you should leave behind if you wish to gain the regard of those around. 1. Bragging too much. It is regular for individuals to take pride in their achievements and to share their pleasure with their family and friends. Nonetheless, overdoing it can usually lead individuals to lose respect for a person. Speaking about your accomplishments at the extremely beginning when you are fulfilling somebody for the first time can also make them lose respect for you unless they have especially asked. 2. Allowing others to interrupt you quickly. In a conversation, it is common for individuals to disrupt each other. Nevertheless, if you find yourself continuously being disturbed and you let them escape it, people may shed respect for you. This is since it can produce the perception that you are incapable to defend yourself. 3. Not following through. We typically speak with family and friends regarding the plans we have for the different elements of our lives. Nonetheless, not following up with these plans can often impact the respect people have for you. Telling others your plans sort of holds yourself liable for executing claimed strategies. If you sleep on these prepare for as well long in spite of having stated them sometimes, people will begin to assume that you are all speaking without taking any kind of real activity. As time passes, people may gradually ignore what you tell them as they really feel there will be activity. Hence, their respect for you will slowly be shed too. 4. You treat people based upon personal gain. If you do this, not only will you lose regard, yet you will likewise lose buddies. It is reasonable to behave in a different way depending upon that we are with, as we are more detailed or more distant in particular social circles. Nevertheless, if your practices with people is based on what you can obtain from them, you will probably not obtain any regard from anybody. We are commonly instructed to treat others the method we wish to be dealt with. The very same goes for respect too. Dealing with people based on personal gain will only make them shed respect for you. 5. Being dishonest and lacking integrity. An absence of integrity can make people shed regard for you. Lots of people worth honesty in different elements of life. Whether it is keeping an assurance or leveling, individuals will certainly tend to value you extra if you are straightforward and have honesty. This is since it provides individuals the impression that you are credible and reputable, which you have your principles in the best location. Being dishonest and showing a lack of integrity will only make people shed regard for you. 6. Fast to agree. If I'm speaking to a person, and they nod along enthusiastically to all that I claim, and they hardly ever disagree, I can't aid however weary. This doesn't mean you require to be combative and undesirable. However, consenting to everything and everyone resembles adding water to repaint. It weakens that you are in my eyes. 7. Rushing speech. A number of us talk swiftly for numerous factors, consisting of being boosted on coffee and excited about what we're claiming. But the message this typically transfers is you aren't comfy in your words. It resembles ordering a hot cake and throwing it back promptly. When we provide ourselves time to talk, it comes to be a lot easier to discover the appropriate words. It places others comfortable and individuals will have more confidence in what we're saying. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.